morning students, welcome into again the 12th science chemistry class. Today we are solving the numericals problems based on the buffer solution. That is, we have to calculate the pH or pOH value of the buffer solution by using Henderson's and Hasselblanc's equation. Now in the last lecture I taught you about that is the Henderson's and Hasselblad equation is the equation which is used for calculation of the pH and pOH value of the buffer solution. And this equation for pH is given as pH is equal to pKa plus log to the base 10 of concentration of the salt divided by concentration of the acid. Because we know that the buffer solution is prepared by mixing 50% of the weak acid, it is the acidic buffer, and 50% of its salt which is derived from that weak acid and strong base. So in the formula there is the concentration of salt and concentration of that acid is also there. And how the problem will be asked, let us see. This is the problem number 3.9. What is given in this problem? Calculate the pH of buffer solution. We have to calculate the pH here. What is the pH of the buffer solution? We calculate it. pH of the buffer we have to calculate. Now again, what is given? Calculate the pH of buffer solution containing 0.05 mole NaF. Now this NaF is the salt, sodium chloride, which is obtained from the weak acid HF and its salt with that of the strong base NaOH. So NaF is the salt having the concentration 0.05 mole per liter and 0.15 mole of HF, that is the weak acid hydrogen chloride. Its concentration is also given 0.015 mole per liter, and also they have given us the Ka, dissociation constant of weak acid is given, that is equal to 7.2 into 10 raised to minus 4 for the HF, that is the weak acid. Now what are given? We write here. Now given Ka is given, that is equal to 7.2 into 10 raised to minus 4. Concentration of salt is given 0.05 molar. Concentration of acid is also given 0.015 molar, and they asked to calculate the pH of the buffer solution. Now the pH of acidic buffer is given by Henderson-Hasselblad equation. You must remember that equation in the examination. So pH is equal to pKa plus log to the base 10 concentration of salt divided by concentration of acid. Very simple equation. Into that there is the pKa and log to the base 10 and concentration of salt divided by concentration of acid. But first we have to calculate this pKa. Then we can calculate the pH, because pKa is not given directly. There is the only Ka is given. Then how calculate the pKa? Just as we calculate the pH of the acid. In that formula pH is equal to minus log to the base 10 of H plus ion concentration. Similarly here pKa is equal to minus log to the base 10 of Ka. Now the value of Ka is 7.2 into 10 raised to minus 4. So pKa is equal to minus log to the base 10 of 7.2 into 10 raised to minus 4. And we many times solve such type of problems for the pH. So how it is? It becomes minus log to the base 10 of 7.2 plus, now this minus 4 power comes to here and into log of minus 10, because here is the minus sign and here is the bracket. So the minus log is for this 10 also. So minus log of 10, and this power take here as multiplication, here minus 4 into minus log of 10. In this way we solve the problem, and here is the minus log of 7.2. Now see on the blackboard students. Into that this pKa is calculated as, now the log of the 7.2 you see into the log table. So what is the log of 7.2? The log of 7.2 is 8573 and the characteristics 0 here. Why? Because here is only one digit before the decimal point. So if there is the one digit, 1 minus 1, that becomes 0 because we decreases by 1, and therefore here is the 0 is the characteristics. And why here minus sign? Because here is minus log to the base 10 of 7.2. So here you give the minus sign. So minus 0.8573 is the log of minus 7.2. Okay, you see in the log table. Now this plus minus 4 into this minus 1.000. That means log of 10. Log of 10 is what? 0.000. But as there are the two digits 1 and 0, so 2 minus 1 1, and therefore the characteristics is 1 here. And as it is the minus sign is there, minus log of 10, so give here minus sign, minus 1.0000. In this way, this is the log of minus 10. So multiply this minus 4 into minus 1, because minus 1.00 means only minus 1. So minus 4 into minus 1 becomes plus 4, and this minus 0.8573 is as it is. Now subtract this 0.8573 from the 4. So how we can subtract this? 4.0000 minus 0.8573, and here is the 7, 2, 4, that is the 1, and here is the 3. Now in this way, after subtracting this value of 0.8573 from the 4, we obtain the pKa value as this. That is pKa value is here 3.1427. Now as we know the pKa value, the concentration of salt, acid, only substitute all these value in this equation, Henderson's and Hasselbalch equation. So pH is equal to, now this is the value of pKa plus log to the base 10. Now this is the concentration of salt is given in the problem, 0.05 molar, divided by concentration of acid is also given, 0.015 molar. Now if we divide this, what we will obtain? Now 0.05 means 5 divided by 100. 0.05 means 5 divided by 100. And 0.015 means 15 divided by 1000, but it becomes as 1000 divided by 50 after that is the going to the, that is numerator. So if we cancel this 0, 0, 0, 0, 5, 3 jar 15, so 3 jar 9, because 10 is there, so 3 jar 9.33, because if we divide 5, if we divide this 10 by that is the 3, we obtain the value 3.33. Now by dividing these two, you obtain this value 3.33. You just divide in the calculator also, that becomes 3.33. Now this 3.1427 plus log of 3.33. Now log of 3.33 means see the log of 33 in 3, and that is the 5224. But here as there is the only one digit before the decimal point, so 1 minus 1 0, so the characteristic is the 0 here. Now only just add these two values. After adding, that becomes 3.6651. Now it is nearly equal to 3, by rounding up it becomes 3.67, because this 6 is more than 5. So you can take, again this 5 is there, if there is the next digit is 5 or more than 5, then the first digit increases by 1, and then what is the rounding up, therefore it becomes 3.67. Now the pH of that buffer solution is 3.67. So simple problem, student. You just only substitute the values in this Henderson-Blanch equation, you will get the value of pH, but first calculate the value value of pK. Now let us learn the another problem, that is the problem 3.10, which is given on the blackboard. What is in this problem? Calculate the pH of buffer solution. Here we also have calculated pH of buffer solution composed of 0.1 molar weak base, but here the concentration of weak base is given, that is 0.1 molar, and weak base BOH, for example, that is the general weak base BOH, and 0.2 molar of its salt. Concentration of salt is also given, that salt is general salt BA, and that concentration is 0.2 molar, and here the value of Kb is given, that is Kb is equal to 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5 for weak base. Now from this, what we have to calculate first? Here we have to calculate first the pOH value, because the another equation, Henderson and Hasselblank's equation for the basic buffer is given as pOH is equal to pKb plus log to the base 10 of concentration of salt divided by concentration of base. And if we obtain the value of pOH, then by using the formula pH plus pOH is equal to 14, we can calculate the pH value also. Now let us solve this problem. How this problem is get solved now? Let us see. First you take the screenshot and then we calculate now the second problem, how it is there. Now again pay attention students on the blackboard. Now what is given in problem number 3.10? Let us see what is given. They given us the value of Kb, that is the dissociation constant of weak base, as 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5. Again the concentration of salt is given, that is equal to 0.2 molar. Concentration of base is given, that is 0.1 molar, that is the weak base, and they ask us to calculate the pH. Now we have to first calculate pOH, because it is the basic buffer solution. So we have to first calculate pOH of the basic buffer solution as. Now the pOH is given by the Henderson-Hasselblank's equation for the basic buffer is pOH is equal to pKb plus log to the base 10 of concentration of salt divided by concentration of base. Now first calculate the pKb value. Now pKb is equal to minus log to the base 10 of Kb, and the value of Kb is given, that is equal to minus log to the base 10 of 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5. Now if we calculate this, now it becomes minus log of 1.8 plus in bracket minus 5 into minus log of 10. Now the log of 1.8 is 0.2533. Characteristic is 0, and as there is minus sign, so minus 0.2533. Now this power minus 5 into log of 10, that is the minus log of 10 is minus 1.000. So after multiplication of this minus 5 into minus 1, it becomes plus 5. So pKb is equal to minus 0.2533 plus 5. Now see there what is again, what is given, see there. Now here we have the value now for the pKb is equal to after subtracting this 0.8533 from that 5. Now see on the blackboard that becomes, if you subtract 5 in this way, you can subtract this as 5.000 minus 4.74, sorry, minus 0.2533. Then after subtracting, you obtain becomes, now after subtracting this, there is the 6, again here 4, again here that is the 7, and here is the 4 again. So it becomes this, that is if we subtract, this becomes 4.7467. So only just here write down the 67, because in that case that becomes 47 there, but here is the 67 after subtracting, and this all these value will be changed in this, and here is the 7. Then you can subtract this 7, yes, and that becomes, we'll see later. Now see here, this now substitute the values of the pKb and the concentration of salt and concentration of base in the Henderson-Lawrence equation. Now pOH is equal to 4.7467. Now this is the pKb value I substitute here, plus log to the base 10 of 0.2 divided by 0.1. Now 0.2 divided by 0.1 means 2. 2 divided by 10 into 10 divided by 1 becomes 2. So here is the log of 2 is I write here. Now what is the log of 2? 0.3010. So this 0.3010 is the log of 2. Now only add this into this. Now here the value comes 5.0477. That is the pOH value. Now we know that the pOH value, if we obtain, we can calculate the pH value. So pH plus pOH is equal to 14, and therefore pH is equal to 14 minus pOH. So only you subtract this value of pOH, then you will obtain in this way the value, that is here is the 3, here becomes 2, here 5, here 9, and here 30. So 13.9523. That is the value, and that is, as there is only 2 here, so there is not rounding up, that becomes only 13.95. So pH is equal to 13.95. So in this way, student, we can also calculate the pH of the basic buffer also by using the equation pH plus pOH is equal to 14. Now these are such type of problems are always asked into the examination. If you understand this problem very clearly, then you like, subscribe and share this video to the other students so that they can also solve the problem based on this Henderson-Lawrence equation. So thank you for watching the video. You can take the screenshot and write down the notes into a beautiful handwriting. Now such type of problems are always you practice from the exercise problem. If you practice it very large times or more times, you confidently solve such type of problems. Thank you again.